Hi, my name is Katusha, your sexuality coach. This is the place to be if you wish to learn how to become an amazing lover and a great man overall. If this sounds good, please consider to subscribe and stay until the end. I have something special for you. Let's begin. 5 signs a woman is ready to have sex with you. We are talking about physical signs today. The transitioning from foreplay to the intercourse. Sign number 1, wetness. You are familiar with this, but hang on. So yes, wetness is a good sign that a woman is ready for penetration, but not all the time. So some women are naturally wet there, but the juice that the vaginal walls produce when the woman is aroused is very different in its texture, right? It's more gooey, slimy. Can I use the word viscous? When I was preparing for this video, I googled it and thesaurus gave me the word viscous. Please, native English speakers, let me know if I can use that word. But sometimes vulvas are wet naturally. For example, during ovulation, right, there is another kind of juice that's coming out and it's very wet in the area, but it doesn't mean she's aroused actually, yes? And vice versa, sometimes women are aroused, but they're not wet. For whatever reason, the vaginal walls do not produce the juice. And if she's not wet, of course, use a lubricant of your choice, but it's important for our genitals to be well lubricated before entering her vagina, well, for a better experience, and not to tear your or her tissue apart, because this surely happens. Number 2, vestibular bulbs get erect. Yes, women get erections too. Vestibular bulbs are kind of buried deep in the tissue, so it's hard to detect them, but once they get erect, you can surely detect them and see them and feel them. There are these tear-shaped pads coming from the orifice of the vagina all the way to the shaft of the clitoris, right? So by stimulating them, you stimulate the entirety of clitoris. It's very pleasurable, it's very enjoyable, and once they get erect, so what happens, the vagina becomes, not the vagina and vulva, the entire vulva gets erect and plump. This is surely a great sign to know that she's ready for penetration. You can feel it with your hand, her vulva is plump, and you can see it with your eyes because all the blood rushes to her genitals, so it gets darker. Once you learn how to detect them and to make sure that she is aroused, your sex will be so much more pleasurable for her and for you, because your penis will feel embraced by this warm, snug sleeve. To learn more about it, watch this video right here after you finish watching this video. Number 3, movement. When she starts to surrender to pleasure and let her arousal take over her, she starts to arch and bow, right? To move like a snake. Number 4, her heart starts to race. You can definitely hear it if your ear close by, and you can definitely feel it with your hand. What happens when her heart starts to race? Her cheeks get red, she can have goosebumps all over her body, her vulva turns darker color, preparing her body for enjoyment and ecstasy. Number 5, when she starts pulling her body, your pelvis towards hers, consciously or unconsciously, she's really ready to feel you inside. It's very, very important not to penetrate a woman before she's ready, for both physical and psychological reasons, for both of you, in fact. For physical, well, you can harm yourself. Yeah, you can tear a piece of your penis, and a tear can occur around her genitals, inside of her vagina, with her lips, if she's dry, if she's not ready. It will also help you to avoid premature ejaculation, right? Because you're turned on, you can enter, you can come really quickly, and because you entered before she was ready, before she was fully aroused, it could take her a really long time to come to an orgasm. So when she's really ready and you penetrate in her, your orgasm will come at the same time or close to that. And if you're not sure whether she's ready or not, while you're still learning her body, and every woman is different and learning all these skills, you can always ask. When in doubt, ask. It's not embarrassing at all. It shows that you care. And because you stayed until the end, I've created a step-by-step testicle massage guide and an audio download for you to invigorate your sexuality. You can download it by clicking on the link down below. And if this resonates with you, please subscribe, like it, and share it with anyone who is interested. I'll see you in my next video and have a great week. Bye.